Okay, the shifter disconnects from here. This right here is a pull clip. You pull this out and the shifter cable comes out. You connect the shifter cable to this right here, this grommet. That's probably what's bad on your shifter cable anyway, but I'm changing the whole shifter cable. I hate just changing one part of it. But this is where it connects to. As you can see, you got the shifter cover and all of that out. And I'm gonna climb up under here real quick. Go back here. You're gonna see back here, there's an opening. There's an opening on the firewall. Let's see if I can get this hose back for you. Right there, where the shifter cable is going through. You can zoom in and check it out. There's two 10mm bolts that holds that cover on, and that runs down to the transmission. The transmission disconnect is elementary. 12mm nut disconnects from the transmission if you can't get the nut off. Just remove the pop the grommet off. Okay, this is the new end of the cable, fished down through the firewall and going up to the transmission. Okay, I really hope this helps y'all. Please subscribe and like and leave a comment. That would be awesome. Thank you.